How to change your Google email address. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Google email address. First, open Gmail on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and select the account you want to change. After that, tap on the profile icon again in the top right corner. Next, tap on Manage your Google account, then tap on Personal Info. Now scroll down and tap on Email, then tap on Contact Email. Here, tap on Add Other Email and enter your new contact email. After that, tap on Add. Now your Google email address has been updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.